Have you ever used Android, Firefox, or even ChatGPT's base libraries without realizing you were using open source software? Open source is everywhere. It powers your phone, your browser, and even the internet itself. But what does open source really mean, and why do tech companies that compete with each other still share their code? Open source means software whose source code, the underlying instructions, is publicly available for anyone to view, modify, and share. Unlike proprietary software like Windows or Photoshop, open source projects are built by communities, not just corporations. Anyone, from hobbyists to huge companies, can contribute improvements or fix bugs. Open source isn't just about free software. It's about freedom and collaboration. It's built on principles like transparency. Everyone can see how it works. Community, developers from all over the world collaborate. Innovation, open code means ideas spread faster. It's the same spirit that built Wikipedia. Knowledge for everyone, by everyone. Some of the biggest names in tech are built on open source. Linux runs most of the world's servers and Android phones. Python and JavaScript open languages power most modern apps. Even Tesla and Meta open source parts of their code to help innovation grow. It's the unseen backbone of our digital world. Open source encourages innovation. Anyone can build on others' work. Promotes security. More eyes on the code means faster fixes. Builds trust. Users can verify what software actually does. Reduces costs. Companies don't need to reinvent the wheel. Without open source, the internet as we know it wouldn't exist. So next time you use an app or browse a website, remember, behind the scenes, millions of developers are contributing to a global movement that keeps technology open, transparent, and evolving. That's the power of open source. Like what you saw. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video.